Looking to keep your lawn perfectly trimmed without the noise or fuel hassle? Then you're in the right place. Today, we are exploring the best manual lawn mowers that deliver precision cuts, eco-friendly performance, and timeless reliability. Whether you want a quiet morning mow or a greener way to care for your yard, these mowers have you covered. All the product links are in the description below, and let's get started with the video. Starting off our list is the Great States 18-inch push reel lawnmower. Designed for those who appreciate a clean, eco-friendly approach to lawn care, this manual mower delivers precision and performance without the noise, gas, or maintenance of traditional models. Crafted with durable metal construction, it features a wide 18-inch cutting width that makes mowing more efficient while keeping your yard neatly trimmed. Its 5-blade ball-wearing reel system is engineered from high-quality alloy steel, ensuring sharp, long-lasting blades that glide smoothly over the grass for an even and professional-looking cut every time. The adjustable cutting height, ranging from 0.5 inches to 2.75 inches, allows users to customize their lawn's appearance with precision, whether maintaining a close, golf course-style trim or a slightly longer, lush finish. The Great States manual mower is lightweight, at just 27 pounds, making it easy to push and maneuver across small to medium-sized yards. Its 10-inch composite wheels add stability and control even on uneven terrain. The ergonomic loop-style handle, complete with cushioned grips, ensures comfort during extended use and helps reduce hand fatigue. Assembly is simple, requiring no special tools, so you can start mowing right away. Beyond its performance, this mower stands out for its quiet, motorless design, perfect for early morning or late evening use without disturbing the neighbors. It is an environmentally friendly solution that requires no fuel, produces no emissions, and it offers a timeless approach to maintaining a healthy, green lawn while keeping your carbon footprint low. Taking the second spot is the LawnMaster 16-inch push reel lawnmower. This compact yet efficient manual mower is built for homeowners who want precision, durability, and eco-friendliness in one sleek package. Crafted from robust alloy steel, the LawnMaster delivers a scissor-like cutting action that trims grass cleanly without tearing or shredding, promoting a healthier and more vibrant lawn. Its 16-inch cutting width provides an ideal balance between coverage and control, allowing users to easily navigate tight corners, flower beds, and garden edges. With 4 adjustable cutting heights ranging from 1 inch to 2 inches, you can effortlessly tailor your lawn's appearance to your preferred length for a professional-looking finish every time. Weighing only 22 pounds, this mower is exceptionally lightweight, making it easy to push and maneuver across flat or slightly uneven surfaces. Its 10-inch front wheels enhance stability and handling, ensuring smooth movement across your yard. Its motorless manual design means there is no need for gas, oil, or batteries, offering an environmentally friendly and low-maintenance solution for sustainable lawn care. The durable steel blades are engineered for longevity, retaining sharpness through repeated use and reducing the need for frequent maintenance. Finished in a sleek black color, the LawnMaster combines functionality with style, complementing any outdoor tour collection. Beyond its performance, its quiet operation allows you to mow at any time without disturbing the peace of your neighborhood. Simple to assemble and easy to store, this mower is ideal for smaller lawns or anyone looking to embrace an eco-conscious way to achieve a crisp, clean cut. Taking the third spot is the Scotts 20-inch 5-blade push reel lawnmower. This classic reel mower from the trusted Scotts brand combines traditional craftsmanship with modern precision to deliver an exceptional mowing experience. Designed for homeowners who value quiet operation, eco-friendliness, and reliable performance, this mower features a generous 20-inch cutting width that covers more ground with each pass, reducing mowing time while ensuring a consistently even cut. Its 5-blade ball-bearing reel system is made from high-quality, heat-treated alloy steel, engineered to stay sharper for longer and glide effortlessly across the grass. The result is a clean, scissor-like cut that keeps your lawn healthier and greener without tearing or damaging the blades of grass. The Scotts 20-inch push reel mower includes a quick-snap height adjustment system that allows you to easily switch between cutting heights ranging from 1 inch to 3 inches, giving you full control over your lawn's appearance. With dual 10-inch tracking wheels, it moves smoothly across the yard, even over uneven surfaces or thick patches of grass. The ergonomic handle is designed with cushioned grip to provide comfort and reduce strain during longer mowing sessions, while its lightweight design, just 1 kilogram, makes it effortless to push and maneuver. This mower operates without gas, oil, or electricity, offering a completely engine-free and maintenance-free lawn care solution. Its green color reflects both the brand's identity and its eco-friendly purpose. Assembly is tool-free, allowing you to get started in minutes. While it does not include a grass catcher, the Scott's 20-inch 5-blade push-reel lawnmower is ideal for those who appreciate simplicity, sustainability, and the satisfaction of a perfectly trimmed lawn using nothing but human power and precision engineering. At number 4, the Vevor 18-inch push-reel lawnmower. This reliable manual mower combines strength, precision, and comfort for a smooth and efficient mowing experience. Built with durable steel alloy construction, it features a wide 18-inch cutting width and a 5-blade rotary design that ensures an accurate, even trim every time. The adjustable cutting height ranges from 1.37 to 2.44 inches, allowing you to customize the finish based on grass type or seasonal changes. The high-quality UNS 1566 steel blades are crafted for long-lasting sharpness and consistent performance, making it capable of handling regular trimming sessions with ease. Designed for optimal efficiency, the mower performs best when used on grass shorter than 4 inches, and it is recommended to mow in stages for taller lawns. Its shock-resistant build enhances durability, and if debris causes a jam, a simple backward pull clears it quickly. The Vevor push-reel lawnmower also includes a convenient grass catcher bag for collecting clippings, helping you maintain a clean yard with minimal effort. Assembly is quick and tool-free, taking less than 10 minutes, so you can start mowing right away. Maneuverability is smooth thanks to 4 large wheels that provide balance and traction on different terrains. The ergonomic U-shaped handle is cushioned for comfort and designed to reduce hand and back strain, making it especially suitable for seniors or those seeking an easier mowing experience. Operating without gas, batteries, or electricity, this eco-friendly mower offers a quiet, emission-free solution perfect for households with children and pets. Its orange and black color scheme gives it a bold, modern look while reflecting its robust performance. The Vevor 18-inch push-reel lawnmower is ideal for anyone seeking an environmentally responsible and peaceful way to keep their lawn perfectly trimmed.
Finishing off our list is the American 18-inch 5-blade lawnmower. Manufactured by the reputable American Lawnmower Company, this classic manual mower is designed for homeowners who value performance, comfort, and environmental responsibility. Featuring a generous 18-inch cutting width, it covers more ground with each pass, making lawn maintenance faster and more efficient while ensuring a clean, even finish. Its precision-engineered 5-blade reel delivers a scissor-like cutting motion that slices grass blades cleanly rather than tearing them, promoting healthier and greener turf. The adjustable cutting height ranges from 1/2 inch to 2 3/4 inches, giving you full control over your lawn's appearance based on grass variety and seasonal growth. Built for ease of use, the mower includes an ergonomic U-shaped handle with a cushioned grip that minimizes wrist and hand strain during longer mowing sessions. Weighing just over 27 pounds, it strikes the perfect balance between sturdiness and maneuverability, allowing smooth operation across small to medium-sized yards. The included grass catcher efficiently gathers clippings as you mow, leaving your lawn neat and saving time on post-mowing cleanup.